Hey guys, this is how to uninstall Riot Client. So guys, for the first solution, just simply go to the start menu on the bottom left, and after that search for apps and features, and just simply click on this one. And from here guys, just simply click on this, search this list and search for Riot, and just simply click on it and just simply click on uninstall, and you should be able to uninstall it over here. Now guys, if you don't see this option over here, what you could try to do is just simply go to your Riot Client shortcut over here. And now from here, just simply right click on it and go for the open file location. And from here guys, as you can see, it is on my D drive. So I'm gonna click on this. And after that, just simply right click on this Riot Games and just simply click on delete. So guys, if you see this error over here, just simply go to the hidden menu icon over here. Just simply right click on the Riot and click on exit and click on try again over here. Now guys, another option that you have is just simply search over here at the bottom left and search for run and click on this run over here and search for app data and click on OK. And from here, go for the local. And if we scroll down below, we should be able to see here Riot. So just simply go for R and just simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, this is all of the Riot files. So from here, just simply right click on it and click on delete. And from there, you should be able to delete it. Another option that you have is just simply go to the bottom left and from here, search for the Riot and click on open file location over here. And now from here, go for the programs and just simply delete this one. And from there, you should be able to delete it and make sure to empty the recycle bin at the top left corner. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.